So guys, look at it. We keep arranging. Just watch. Hi Gideaway lovers, you're welcome again to another episode of Train the Gideaway. So guys, I was thinking, you see this tie looking beautiful on our YouTube. A lot of you have watched this tie. Now I was thinking, what about we do not do it fun today? We'll make it round. Yes, we can do it that way. All you need to relax and let's go with the Gideaway. First of all, this is the sound, the scream. First of all, you get to length 90, 4 layers. You see? Now, one of the best fabric I like to use is loom ashoke. See, the texture very, very nice. This is a loom ashoke. So I have the CD if you want to buy. That's it. So guys, I forgot to let you know I now have a beginner YouTube. Yay! This YouTube I'll be teaching about the business, how to start your gele brand, how to start. All you just need to do in the comment section, I will pin the gele page, the new page. I'll start uploading from on it. I'll be uploading here, but I'll also be uploading on that page. You get? So all you just need do for me is subscribe and let's keep sharing. Then we can discuss about your growth. You can comment anything, and on my next video I'll talk about it. So you get, so there I'll teach you how to manage the gele business and how to start from beginning. So guys, for today's time now, let's go. This is a length 90 and this is how we test it. 4 layers. So we are using 50-50. So anywhere you say, anywhere I open this 50 now will be equal. So all I need to do is just make my wonderful pleats, my fine pleats, my gorgeous plates, my good looking plates. You understand? So after making these plates, normally some people will take it from the back like this. For my way, which is the giddy way, I prefer to close it, do it like this, then come to the front so that I see what I'm doing. Now she raise her head. She hold one side for me. And she holds one side. Oh, I'll arrange once. I'll arrange it. All right, guys. See, you arrange your plates very, very well. See, very beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautifully, beautifulest lead. I know you have not heard that English before. It is not invented. Beautiful, beautifulest. All right, so what you did to this side, do it to this side. So in case you have not watched the other one, please do. And please don't forget to, before you forget, just click on the link on the comment section to go and follow my new YouTube. Guys, let's do this together. So right there, I want it to be a platform where we can communicate, where I can post video, we talk about your business, you comment your challenges in the business, you get. So those are the things I want us to all grow. You get, I want us to all grow. Okay, now she's holding both sides. So I can pick everything together this way. This way I can pick this one also together. So guys, see, this is the middle. This one this way, this one this way. So the one on top will go to the back, while the one at the back will come to the front. So you see? Okay. All right. So most times, as I'm doing this, I normally take a little, like just take the first two plates. Watch, I'll just take the first two plates or so, drag it very well, drag it down. As I drag it down, see what I'll do. Take it from the top. You see, the pin will come now. I'll push it up. Then most times I'll still bring it and pin it towards this or so. Drag it, touch this one, I'll bring it inside. So like this. Now guys, want to work on this part. Want to work on this part. So what do we do first? We take Very nice pleats, like how will I say it? Very nice pleats, like 3 or 4. 1, 2. When you're taking, you have to be mindful. You take pleats, you take it moderately. Look at it, see. You don't just take small big, you take it moderately. See, I'm trying to make sure the pleats I'm taking are of equal. Get? So, okay. Okay. Please hold here and here. Hold there and here. You see here? I'll carry this first two. See, 1, 2. Look at, I'll pin it here. 1, 2, I'll pin it here. Oh, you drag it. When you drag it, look at, it's too tight. Hmm? Sorry, I'll be here again. All right, so it goes in, it comes out. Please, the technique of pinning always go in. Once you feel it that you touch it, you try to bring it out. You can see in and out, in and out. Now, guys, now back to our business. See what we're gonna do. We're gonna spread it. So what we're gonna do like this now, we'll be picking from the middle, just like we used to pick our round. Just like we pick our round. See, we pick from the middle. Make sure of equal length. You arrange it up also. Watch your equal length. You arrange it up also. Pick, arrange it up also. Pick, arrange it up also. Now the thing is, here we'll need our attention so that she'll be holding it for us so that it doesn't get scattered quickly. Please don't make the top big, the down small. It will start giving you fan. You understand? So we are trying our best to make everything equal. I give you a little bit of difficulties, but please, there's room to try out new thing. This tie can be slay for both bridal and can still be slay for party guests. Yeah, I think 3 layer can do it also, but if a 3 layer is doing it, it will come out small in this line. Watch. Okay, just right here. See, you see, it's coming out, it's coming out. Then we just continue. We just continue. You can see I'm trying my best for everything I do to be equal. Place it here. Now try to arrange here. It might not be that smooth up here, but just try your best. You understand? Might not be that smooth up here, but you do your best. Do your best, do your best. Just try, because the up here will still be rough, but just try your best. Now she's going to leave it for us so that we'll give it height a bit. Now, when you are giving height, I've said it before, you just drag the one at the top up. You arrange, you start picking it one after the other. You can see, just as we used to pick our round, pick it one after the other, one after the other. So you keep arranging, keep arranging. Guys, let me not lie to you. Before I started tying the other one that I found, before I could get that one that I found, the first time I tried it, it was this round one I got first. So this round one I got first. Then I was always practicing it so that I get it properly. I don't even know why I've not posted it since on YouTube. So please don't forget to follow the beginner class. Link on caption. You just need to click it to take you there. Just click it. Take you there. You understand? So one thing you should know is that your own might even come out well than my own. Your own might even come out well than my own. But whatever you're doing, just try, let the round show. Let the round show. You understand? Let the round show. Okay, now you already know this now. Pick from the back, we pick from the back, we pick, we arrange all the pleats. Now that we are done arranging all the pleats, we'll take this one and roll. You hold it here. You see? You hold it here, you pin here. Okay, so guys, come back here to touch some places that the pleats are trying to mysterious. That's it, guys. So it's not hard, but it requires your practice. You can't be like Gidi without practicing. You understand? So now we have achieved this side. While you did this side, you do this side. God bless you. So I'm gonna arrange this too. 1, 2, 3. God bless you. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Look at it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, do you know that in tying this tie, I always say it. You know, people know. I always say the truth. People know. I always say the truth. When tying this tie, the challenges you always face is this. The challenge you always face is this. One hand will be easier than one. It's not your fault. It's not that you don't know how to tie it or something. It's just like that. You understand? You can't expect someone that uses a left hand for you to use that left hand more than the person. And a left-handed person can't use his or her right more than the person using his or her right hand. You understand? So all we just need to do is manage. Okay, now you see what we do. We pick the two. We took it across to pin here. And most after taking it across, I pin at this knuckle here to make it also firm. Please always pin. Pin more. Pin more. Make sure once your tip of your pin go in, make sure you are seeing the tip back. Okay, now I'm seeing the tip of my own. I'm sure that is well pinned. Alright, so what do we do? What do we do? Now we open it like this. We'll now see start. Small. Small. Go like that. Told you the up might give you difficulty, but what do? We will continue. You understand? We will continue. I just need to continue. I know a lot of people say Gidi like to talk to more, Gidi like to talk to more. Guys, if my talking will make you understand me better, then I will talk. Understand? Because you all know Gidi way is all about learning. Fine. It's all about learning. And most of you have been very supportive. Some of you do sponsor the class. Some people buy airtime. Some people say, okay, gift me cash. So, you see? A lot of people say encouraging me, and there are some people that still check up on me that Gidi, we have not seen you post for a while now. So you see why I cannot just give up like that, because there are still people that really care. Now we're back here. So you see, we have arranged here now. Now you see the problem I normally face is this. If I'm this way, I like coming to the back to arrange, because it makes it look like it's my right. So you can see I'm picking everything just as it should be. Just as it should be. So you get, so I'm picking everything just as it should be. It should be. It should be. Yeah, so just go. Okay, going. So guys, look at it. We'll keep arranging. Just watch. We'll keep arranging. We'll keep picking it one after the other, one after the other, one after the other. So guys, you can join membership, exclusive membership. Most times you get to see the video first before it's being posted online. You get to even practice it first before it is posted online. So you can join my membership. That's a way also of supporting me. You understand? So that's a way of supporting Giddy. So you join. Huh? Now guys, we have gotten here. We have gotten here. We've gotten here. Okay. So what do? We arrange, we have arranged to this extent. So you see this one we normally pick. We pick it, use it and twist it. It's a light twist though. You pull, just be doing like this, no. So see now, I'll pin it here. Before I finish, let me come arrange the front. So guys, like this, watch you, like this. So what do I do now? You see the way it is, I will have to join it. Bring this one here. Now bring this one. Let me do it for the front so that we all see it. Okay, so I'll look for a way and pin at the middle here. So you see, now we'll pin. We'll pin. We'll try to pin. Try to pin. Then you now arrange the shape. When you pin, you arrange the shape. So guys, don't know. You can comment what you think about this tie. Do you think you like it? Do you think it's nice? Will you try it out? Eh? Get. So now about this place, most times is the way I did it. Eh, not supposed to be this. I think I did. Eh, I can bring this one back. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Now we go to the back. She will hold her 2 years. She will hold her 2 years. And she hold her 2 years. See this one. Cover her hair. If she doesn't want it to show. If she wants it to show, fine. But if she doesn't want it to show, we cover up. You understand? Please always wrap properly. Like you know, as I always say, the way you wrap matters a lot. The way your back of your gele look matters a lot. Hmm? The way the back of your gele look matters a lot. Matters a lot, oh, a lot, oh, it matters a lot, oh. Okay? Okay, so guys, now we have changed the narrative. Instead of having fan this side, we have round this side, round this side. Now you too, you can change it. Eh? So this side is round this side, round this side, round this side, round this side. So what do you guys think about this? What do you think? What do you think?